mwe. Ori oba ori ebo. Na kan lebo. No making or your making, okay? They frustrated, condemn everything. You don't even know where they go now. She don't know where they come from. Ofone, that be her second name. Ofone. This whole issue on ground, she's the cost. She started because Ofone. Because they talk to Ofone. Awe mwage. Oh my, no when they don't say it. Emes walking agaro. Iye wuya keke. Iye swan kuwe keke. Iye like bekene tota yo amevon. Oko ga kara kwa wuya. Iye ga wuya. Ege edeverio. Na hwe. Ede no megbe ye buruda. Emi na yo bo wan si ra lowo ma. Emi o ma pe. Ni on sun na je na. Because owo ma no geri ane gwale no si bagbe. He always sun e dead yo. But now she they talk say, oh you calling no, or tell no. It is like, and I don't know why people that claim that they love you, people that claim that they love you, they are the people that will shook you. But they will be the first person to say, I love her. I be love her. Oh. I be doing this one for her. Oh. So that people will not be saying, he be love you. Oh. No, it's a lie. You see those people that you are saying they don't love those are the real people. Because those people, they are acting on what they heard. They are acting on what they heard about you. They are not close to you. But you see the ones that claim they know you, they are close to you. When they begin to shook you, you will know that their coming to you was not for real. It was fake. Maybe they were coming to achieve something. It was fake. The other one, I claim, say, I be sister, you call your though I don't have her number. She called me once every time. She said she dreamed about this. She did this. Iyore, you know everything about you. And when I matter the phone, now I when you record there. Me record man. Here, the social media presenter no record man. What you poetry me? Where you mean that? I mean, me madam. I mean, me iwa. Imera, imeje, venera me megu. Imeje, ime family me be. Ime ten, ime se. Ni me sikeme emi ehia do bosu nu ya mio di me mato bi me mio ya mio so o ma bo e seti do mina mi gbo e be family we obvio sasa ya we gbi ni ma no si koma a mina mi so mina mi gbo e be family we because we met mina mi gbo when we solve a problem no wo hu we ado mina mi me do akama me we e mi e na ma we mina mi me oh o woman no record me record ma o wa na pa wa we no pia no gba gba re fun wa ko na pa since then imagine no we no logo we that you just on my marriage day I choose not to do it because I want always a live video. Must you put everything on live video? Must you? I'm not a content creator. I'm not a content creator. Must I put now my marriage, now me go decide. When they want to watch my life, I say, no, imagine them a live video, record that they are big poster. All of you were just looking for one thing. No, one meal. Or manere woo, person where papa die. It's after marriage, now I do burial. Inside the hotness of my where I lost my papa. Now I prepare for marriage. How my take especially me, I take fine. The clothes when I wear. More than 500,000, close to 600. Money job. And now one I take fine when I lost somebody so dear to my heart. I did do marriage for it back. As I want to fine. Not talk of the things that happened on the day of my marriage. A lot went down on the day of my marriage. A lot went down. A lot. When shame no go let person can't talk for us. It went down. How now one make I take fine. Then the next thing, the person that said she's my sister, she loved me, she's the one that first of all came out and started digging out all the error in my marriage, digging it out, and started shouting. I was like, wait, when they swear for you, you know cry like, are you mad? Are you mad? When they swear for you, when they ban you, they ban you. You are now a outcast. You are an outcast. You know the fear. You go to talk to musicians. You will be outcasts. We're not bandit level. Never be setting like okay. And if you go theater, you know what it will cost you. It will cost you dearly. So that next time you will know how to breathe on your tongues. Because you have a phone and you have a data, you think you can talk anything you want to talk. Do you know the meaning of an outcast? Go it or tell people to tell you the meaning of an outcast. You became an outcast because you knew Bungbe. Because of phone, because of social media, you guys went out of the way. We're not lying. Now, walk at Solad. You are not my mom. You are not my sister. We are not families. You say you are from Iyore, boss. Okay. What's your business with my marriage? You started crying, shouting. Hey, well, no. Although the marriage, okay, with a bill, all the way no power. Who do any? My father fell for it. My father, he